thyroid you are, the more the fat cells will stretch. And the older you get, the thinner your skin, so the fat actually bulges out.
All right, so those are factors to think about. Let's talk about treatments. You brought some images of something called Smooth Shapes. What is that?
Smooth Shapes and Vela Shape are the two latest machines to treat cellulite. And here we see a patient before and after a series of treatments. It's between 6 and 8 treatments. Now, the treatments really do work, but they don't last forever. What ends up happening is the cellulite will sort of come back. So most patients will go through a series of 6 to 8 treatments once a year.
And so what does the treatment entail? Is it like a laser or rolling something over you? Or what?
It's a laser which rolls over you.
Oh,
it's
hey.
a little bit of each, and then one called the Vela Shape 2 actually adds a radio frequency. What all of these treatments do is they help your body metabolize the fat, thicken and smooth out the skin.
Let's look at the before and after of the Vela Shape too, so our viewers can see the difference there. And the treatment there is the added what?
It adds a radio frequency which literally melts or heats the fat underneath the skin. Also gets the body to lay down more collagen to thicken the skin.
That's a pretty good before and after.
The results are real. Now the problem is you've got maybe 10 different companies that make a variety of machines, and it really takes some kind of an expert to learn how to use the machines properly. This is basically showing how the Vela Shape will restore blood flow, get rid of the edema or the lymphatic fluid, the swelling, and cause the body to basically help to melt the fat.
And we were talking during the commercial how there are cellulite treatment centers on almost every corner in Europe. This is a big business there.
When I went to Europe about 15 years ago, I was amazed at every doctor was treating cellulite. Every pharmacy had cellulite treatments and machines. It's only been in the last 5 years or so in this country that we've spent a lot of time treating cellulite. And the reason is it's a huge business. It's a multi-billion-dollar business, and there's lots of topical products that are also out that we can use for cellulite.
Quickly tell us what those are. You have some here.
Basically, the topical products that we have over here, they all contain not only caffeine, which helps to break down fat. Now, it's not the drinking kind of caffeine. It's the kind you put on your skin. But also they contain other herbs and other chemicals that help to mobilize fat to basically make it go away. Also, there's interesting things that sound hokey called lymphatic massaging, where you actually can rub this on your thigh or with one of these other devices.
All right, well, let's just load up on this.
And actually, you look better. So for the summertime, if you want to look your best in a swimsuit, you get a few cellulite treatments, maybe buy one of the creams, and you can look even better in your bathing suit.
All right, thank you very much. It's always wonderful to have you
here. Now,
you
don't need any of this.
Yeah, of course not. I mean, Walter, this is just something we just kind of talk about in theory.
You know, you do not need it. He is telling the truth.
I wish that was the truth.
All right, thanks, Kathleen, Dr. Goldman. Well, still ahead,